Guys, listen. I know the revolution is happening. The revolution will be televised, but I want to share a song. This song needs to be the song of the movement, okay? Like, this needs to be our song. This is one of my favorite bands ever. And this song is one of my favorite songs, and it's very true to my heart because these are my alma mater. These are the alumni to my university. So I'm gonna let me enlighten your darkness to some real reggae music. Okay. Now dance hall, because a lot of people don't know the difference between dance hall and reggae. Reggae is what R&B is to America, kinda sorta, but not really. And dancehall is what hip hop would be to America. Okay, you get the difference? Okay, let's get into the music. Isn't it strange how princesses and kings you lose it all like sawdust in the wind? Hey, I say, come on, people like you and me will be builders for eternity. Each is given a bag of trees, shapeless mass, and a book of fools. Pa 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 pa.